Today I'm going to show you how to make fudgy brownies from scratch. 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of oil, 3 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups of white granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and the star of the dish, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder. And then I have some more sugar. This is 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Give this a good whisk. So we'll come back over to this one, and then I'm just going to add in a little bit of this, and we'll give that a good whisk. Okay, put some more in there. All right, look at that. Now I have about 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, 2/3 cup to 3/4. It doesn't have to be exact. And then also at this point, if you would like to use like walnuts or pecans, you can put those in there as well. And then we'll just pour this in. We'll scrape it all in there. All right, now we bake it in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 162 Celsius, and we're gonna bake it for 40 to 45, 48 minutes until when you poke it with a toothpick, the toothpick comes out, not completely clean, just a little tiny bit clinging to it. That way we keep a nice fudgy consistency. We're gonna leave it in the pan for 1 to 2 hours. We want it to cool down completely to room temperature before cutting into it. And then we just take one off. Look at that. Super nice and fudgy looking. Take a bite. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.